So guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have Oppo Find X3 Pro for battery replacement. Its battery is bulging, you can see here. So it's expanding in size. We have a new battery here, so we will replace the battery. First of all, we will take off the back. It's already coming off, so we will put some isopropyl alcohol on the top here. It will soften the glue, and then we will take off the back. We have put some alcohol there, and now with the help of this card we will just swap it and see the back has came off. Now there's one screw here which is a torch connector on the motherboard. We will unscrew it. With the help of tweezer. Now keep it aside. Now we will disconnect this connector here. See, it's disconnected from the board. Now we will open the screws, these screws. There's one screw which was hiding here. We have to unscrew it and see if there's any more screw here. I think so. We have taken off all the screws. Now with the help of this plastic spluger, we will try to open this back. You got to be careful. Now you can see here the battery is exposed as well as the cameras. Try to not touch the camera lenses with your fingers because it can leave the fingerprints on the actual camera lenses. Now carefully, first of all, we will disconnect this battery connector which is on the motherboard here. This one here. Now with the help of these puller tapes, we will pull the battery up. See, I'll go from this far side first. See, you have to gently just pull it up and the battery will come off easily. Here we are. So this is this old battery which is bulging. You can see here. So this is our phone. We have a new battery here. I'll open the battery. So this is our new battery. Now, first of all, we have to lift off this part here so the battery can be easily adjusted in here. This part is open. Now the technique is, first of all, we will connect this battery connector first here, then we will make sure the battery is sitting on its specific location here. So first of all, as I said, we will connect the battery here first. You will hear that click sound So once it's clicked, now gently you have to press the battery here. The battery connector has come off, but it's fine. We can just do it again. See, it's connected. Now we will adjust this adhesive here, and we will turn on the phone first.
It's turned on. Let's wait for a minute.
So the phone has turned on, it's working fine. Let's check the cameras. Cameras are working as well. So let's just close the phone. So let's just power off the phone first, and we'll continue the process. Now it's time to reverse the process. First of all, we will adjust this back cover, this position, and then press it. You will hear this nice click sound. Now it's time to put back all the screws. So the screws are in its position. Now we will connect the back here. So first you just need to position the connector onto its spot, and then gently just press it. So you'll hear that nice click sound, and then we will put back this cover. So you can see these small two edges here, they will slide in first like this, and then need to tighten the screw. Here we are. Now the last step we need to take is to glue the back. We are using this adhesive B7000 clear glue. I'll put the glue gently in decent quantity here on the back of the phone. And guys, if you have any phone or any iPad to repair, you can just message me and you can send it to me and I can fix it for you in Australia. So once it's done, now we will put the back gently here, and then gently just press it from all the sides. Yeah, and then if you have clamps, you can put the clamps on the back. I have the rubber band here. I will put the rubber bands. So I have put some rubber bands on the back, so it will strengthen the strictness of the back with the phone. You can put 5 or 6 rubber bands for the ultra glue. So here we are. Here's the old battery. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please comment it. I will answer you. Thank you.